1,938. Good for one night, included na ang breakfast.
Breakfast na.
Opo. At yung area naman ang aming garden hall. Yung garden hall po namin ay multi-purpose facility that can accommodate 300 participants. Good for seminars and wedding reception.
Sila ba?
Ay, video. Ala, ay, sa Manila, yung kayo
And
ngit-ngit.
that area our native deer park. Mga Philippine deer, mga usaw sa Bisaya, Binaw. Hopefully we can see them kasi usually doon sila nagsastay sa tabi ng fishing village. Humihingi ng pagkain sa mga guests. Before, pares lang, they produce at hindi po namin kinakatay. Yung mga deer na may sunga, yan po yung mga lalaki. Ito pa lang po yan kasi kapag malakas yung ulan, malabot po yung lupa. Kaya tinutuluyan na lang.
Ren! Harap tita!
Wala, di isa.
Daddy!
Opo, early in the morning and afternoon.
Mommy, excuse me, mommy. Walang side dito. Mommy! We are the three best friends.
Video yan.
The three best friends. Side dito.
Here's our big house, our vegetable garden. Ito po yung hydroponics way of farming. So hydroponics po meaning hydro tubig, phonics labor. So soilless way of farming, walang lupa. Yan po yung mga low leaf lettuce, inilalagay lamang sa bunot ng niyog or bunot sa lubid. Ang magsisilbing nutrients po niyan yung pumping cycle na running water. Yan din po yung sinaserve sa restaurant everyday. Available din po yan sa restaurant, nakapack na already. Mas mura dito kasi dun sa supermarkets. Sa baba naman, ang another variety. Ito yung mga red salad bowl lettuce. At itong green na mga basil sweet. And that's our salad tomatoes. Yan po yung pinakamalaking uri ng kamatis. As big as an apple kapag nahiyo. It takes 7 po sa supermarkets.
Uy, ganaan na ko
Ako sa restaurant, nakapack.
Saan na tayo?
So, nandito rin yung aming holiday lodge. Ito po yung duplex type of room. Every room can accommodate 3 person. And on your left, our holiday terraces. Frequently used for weddings, seminars, and birthday parties. Kasya po dyan, 17 na. And 600 pesos per day. And adjusted to that, our mangosteen fruit. Mga puno po ng mangosteen. I'm sure nakatikim na ka ng mangosteen fruit. Ang season po ng mangosteen fruit from August to December. And on your right, our prayer garden. We provided seats and huts. Perfect for quiet moments and meditation. Pwede rin mag-standby dito yung mga broken hearted.
Okay, coach. Anak mo kinara.
Mine just broke. May mga puro na yan.
Yeah.
So, ito yung mga macadamia trees namin from Hawaii. Yan po yung nagbubuga ng macadamia nuts. Yung ginagawang
Oh,
ice
chocolate!
cream.
Chocolates!
So, itong baging naman na may puting bulaklak ang tanbergia. Or sometimes called sky flowers or flowers. And we are now approaching in our flower garden where we can see different varieties of flowers. Ito yung Chanel plant or cat's tail. We also have here the milliflores or million flowers. Yung ginagawa ko din sa kasalan. Mga lily or amaryllis, yellow shrimp plant, cosmos, and happy faces. And statue of St. Francis of Assisi, ang patron saint of God's creation. So, yan yung amphitheater namin. So, dito banda yung ating first stopover. Maximum of
First stopover!
Just enjoy the plate at sa mga bulaklak, bawal lamang mamitas.